Join me to reach a state of deep meditation using Tibetan singing bowls for a full hour. Tibetan singing bowls have been an integral part of meditation practices for centuries, originating in the Himalayas and used by Buddhist monks to aid in their spiritual journeys. The rich, resonant tones produced by these sacred instruments are believed to have a profound impact on the mind and body, cultivating a sense of inner peace and calm. When it comes to meditation, one of the biggest challenges we face is quieting the mind and staying focused. Our thoughts can be like unruly children, darting from one distraction to the next, making it difficult to settle into a state of calm. Many of us struggle to find the time and space to meditate effectively, often getting caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. We might feel like we're not cut out for meditation, or that our minds are just too restless. And even when we do manage to carve out a few minutes of quiet time, our minds can start to wander, making it hard to maintain that sense of inner calm. It's easy to get discouraged when we're not seeing the results we want from our meditation practice, leading us to give up altogether. But what if there was a way to overcome these obstacles and tap into the deeper states of consciousness that meditation has to offer? What if we could harness the power of sound to quiet the mind and unlock a sense of profound relaxation and focus? Tibetan singing bowls have been used for centuries to create a sense of calm and inner peace. The sound vibrations produced by these instruments have been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, slowing down our heart rate and promoting a sense of relaxation. When we're surrounded by the calming tones of the singing bowls, our minds begin to quiet, allowing us to settle into a deeper state of meditation. The rich, resonant sounds seem to vibrate deep within our very being, calming our nervous system and promoting a sense of inner balance. Imagine yourself surrounded by the soothing sounds of the Tibetan singing bowls, your mind quieting as you settle into a state of deep relaxation. With each strike of the mallet, the bowls come alive, filling the space with a sense of calm and tranquility. As you breathe in, the vibrations of the bowls seem to resonate deep within your being, calming your mind and soothing your soul. Let's take a few moments to experience the calming effects of the Tibetan singing bowls together. Get comfortable, take a deep breath in, and let the soothing sounds wash over you. Notice how your body begins to relax, your mind quieting as you settle into the present moment. Allow yourself to let go of any tension or stress, simply being with the sound of the bowls. As we continue to bathe in the calming tones of the singing bowls, notice how your mind begins to quiet, your thoughts slowing down as you settle into a deeper state of consciousness. Allow yourself to simply be free from distractions or worries, surrounded by the peaceful energy of the bowls. Remember, the key to effective meditation is consistency and patience. With regular practice, we can tap into the deeper states of consciousness that the Tibetan singing bowls have to offer, cultivating a sense of inner peace and calm that permeates every aspect of our lives. Using Tibetan singing bowls in our meditation practice can be a total game changer, helping us to overcome common obstacles and tap into the deeper states of consciousness that we crave. By harnessing the power of sound, we can quiet the mind, reduce stress and anxiety, and cultivate a sense of profound relaxation and focus. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of Tibetan singing bowls and deep meditation. If you've had experiences with meditation, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Brought to you by Power Your Mind Meditations. And if you're looking to explore more mindfulness techniques, be sure to check out our next video where we'll dive deeper into the world of guided meditation.